Aqui toca o seu sucesso.
Aumente o volume, aumente o volume, aumente o volume, aumente o volume.
Aqui você dança pra valer.
DJ Alisson detonando.
Twist that booty round and round. Bring it on down, bring it on down. If you are a sex executed and you got a big dope booty, come on baby, come on dance with too much booty in your pants. Too much booty in the pants, 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 pants. Now I got you in the groove. Shake that booty like the fool. The ladies with the boom. 1, 2, 3. Let me hear you say boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Yeah, say boom, shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom, shakalaka boom, oh yeah. Come on, body people, don't stop. We gon' take it straight to the top. Too much booty in your pants. Put the fellas in the trance. Yo, fellas, let me hear you say yeah. If you like a big booty, say yeah. All the ladies in the house, say yeah. If you got the big booty, say yeah. Dance, too much booty in the pants. Dance, too much booty in the pants. On the floor, nobody's leaving out the door. Gonna work that booty till it's so. Just keep on bouncing up and down. I'ma keep on booming in your sounds. That's how we do it in Chi-Town. Breakdown.
Yeah. This is the Jackmaster Woods, along with the Soundmaster T. We wanna give a stupid shout out to all the ladies with the big old booties and all the fellas who rockin' those big old booties. New York.
Funky mix, Juanito and DJ Ice on the slice.
That stuff. Effects boys hit a slam and funk all night. Rock, shock, and move the crowd. So get hype. The bass is hitting hard and dope, like you know it should. Suckers in effect mode, boy. You wish you could get up and move the crowd like we can. that wild, that wild. Shake that wild. Out there dance, dance, touch the girlie to your left, then start romance, man. Homie starts to fuss and says, this better end, so you say, homeboy. Funky records in effect, so move your feet, dance your body to the groove, and feel the beat. Coming correct from OAK, you know we can. So come on party people, shake that wild, that wild. Shake that wild. Shake that wild. Shake that wild. Shake that wild.
Wanna get funky or what?
Won't you, will you, want you, non-stop? Body rock, hip hop, yip yap, back to back, that can drag, sit down, get down. Butter up. Get some, work a skirt, don't hurt, pump, rock, don't stop, fire up. Get down. Work a sound, rock down, out of bounds, party down, get hot, make it slide, icy, honeybee, what's up, big boy? Be wild. Freestyle your mob, let's buy, get a tan. Find a man. Dive in, take a swim, surfboard, bad boy, hot five. Big rods. All down, mess around, that babe, get a day, skinny, get cool, whip, go to store, hit it hard. Look fine. That's good, that's right, take it out, jam tonight. Hit the beach now.
We like the sun, we like the sand. Don't look now, here comes our man. He's got that look, we think he's right, and we don't care, he's not too bright.
Now give it, that. Now get, now give it, that. Now get, now get, now give it, that, give it, that, now give it, that.
Satellites, cable TV, Techni red, Techni blue, Techni green on the screen. It's in your house, at the show, every place that you go. Technicolor is here, Technicolor is clear. It's Technicolor, 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 Technicolor.
Trying to be so bourgeois. Do you like this beat?
Yeah.
Do you like this groove?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make you want to move?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make you want to break down?
Yeah.
Then you're a freak.
All you hip hoppers, repeat after me. Pass the funk. I said pass the funk. Pass the funk. I said pass the funk. Pass the funk. Thank you. wait no more. May the best man win on the dance floor. Jam. Street, freaks.
draws. Drop them draws. Drop them draws. Drop them draws.
Well, check it out, everybody, cause the summer's here. We got a brand new dance to get you in gear. It's really fresh, stupid, deaf, and it's down by law. We got a brand new dance called Drop Them Draws.
Drop them draws. Drop them draws.
This dance is just as it sounds. If you wanna do it right, you got to drop your drawers down. But hold up, don't drop down too low, but just enough so you can keep your flow. It makes the girlies go crazy and the guys get wild. If you kinda lean back, it's just your style. So check it out, it's funky fresh and it's down by law. We got a brand new dance, so drop them drawers.
Só toca as melhores. As melhores.
DJ Alisson.